Hello everyone, rainy afternoon. I'm Skinny May and today I'm going to teach you how to make strawberry mojito. And this is the ingredients na kailangan nyong i-prepare. Strawberry, mint leaves, barric. Usually yung gamit natin for mojito is white rum. But for now, I'm gonna use barric lambanog. And strawberry syrup, Tropicana coconut water, and ito yung preparing glass, low ball, any kind of glass naman po pwede. Okay, let's start. Our method is model. Okay, we put strawberry. Kahit ilang strawberry naman po pwede. Okay. At least 40 ml of strawberry syrup para ma-model po natin ang mabuti. Okay. Next is the crushed ice. Okay, at least 40 ml of barric lambanog. Oops. Kailangan po natin i-stir para umangat ang ating strawberry and mint leaves. And the last part is the top with coconut water. Okay. At syempre para sa ating magandang beautiful cocktail, tapos na po ang ating strawberry mojito. Thank you for watching.